Serena's making pancakes for breakfast. And Charity is helping make juice.
I think she's picking out which juice she wants. Charity ate. They're both the same. Hey, she's going on her knees.
You got another one, Charity?
She got three.
So Serena has done everything so far by herself. From the mix to the egg and milk and oil.
And
You gonna pour them too?
I don't know about that.
You've done it before.
I want you to put it in the blue container so it's
And the
easy.
plastic thing, it's lighter than the glass. Okay. Bye. Okay, I'll be with you in a second. Whoa.
She poured it into the cup, I guess.